Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Hyundai Accent key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. Next, look for a small slot or indentation where the key blade was removed. Carefully insert a small, flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. Once your tool is in the slot, gently twist it to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The two sections will come apart, revealing the internal components and the battery. Now that the fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery inside. Most Hyundai Accent key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up, before gently prying it out. Insert the new battery, ensuring it's seated correctly and the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. To reassemble, align the two halves of the key fob, making sure the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to reinsert your emergency key blade. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.